Hey, what's going on, best friends and family on YouTube? I know it's been a while and it's not my fault. It is literally Canada Post's fault. It's getting to the point where it's getting ridiculous. That being said, I said the hell with it and I sacrificed a socket that's sitting in this guy right here to restrict the flow of coolant. I basically grabbed one that matched the full diameter of this with the inner diameter. Don't mind my black thumb. My glove ripped. So you know how people have green thumbs. Us DIYers or gearheads have black thumbs. So just due to grease, basically. But that being said, I said the hell with it. I'm sacrificing a socket. It's pretty much the same dimensions. What I ordered was a nice, top of the line coolant restrictor, and it's gone somewhere, sitting in a warehouse. No idea when I'm gonna get back. So I finished all of that, and I think it looks pretty darn good myself. Everything's all tight, ready to go. I wasn't gonna hold this truck up over a coolant restrictor, flow restrictor. So yeah, everything is now good to go. I'm gonna start plugging everything in. All my friends that follow me that know lightnings, I'm gonna need your help a bit. 605 bolt, I'm looking at you because you seem to be the master of these things. I am deleting the EGR. I would leave it on if it wasn't so evasive. Doing plug changes, working on the truck, it is a pain. And the rat's nest of lines. So what I did is I plugged this top one here that went to one of the solenoids. I left this red one on that plugs into that solenoid up there, thinking we still need that because that's a purge valve for the emissions. I could be wrong. I replaced this T here with a 2JZ GTE part. So yeah, there's my JDM touch on this thing. There was a line that wrapped around here and it also went to the solenoid, so that's gone. And then I just capped this guy down here, and then I replaced the silicone there. Now, doing this, never fails, that furnace. Doing this, I found 3 major vacuum leaks. When I stepped on this thing, it moved very well. But I heard a very loud whistle, and it was coming from that T there, and there was one more. I can't remember where it is, but you guys can see this stuff. It's absolutely crumbling. Which is odd because all my old JDMs that sit in the sun have way better vac lines. So Ford, get your stuff together on your lines. Removed this whole rat's nest, and I didn't cut anything. I want it to be 100% reversible, and it is. With the addition of this guy here that's going to plug into the side of the blower. This is going to go to that line there, the boost gauge, and then the top of it's going to run to the boost safe. I forget the technical term for it, but I don't care right now. Boost bypass, that's what it is. Jeez Louise. Yeah, so that's all I have running right now. And please let me know if I am missing anything. All of the solenoids on this side are going to be not working, obviously. They're gonna be gone, rather. All the plugs won't be doing anything. That side one that I just showed you also plugs into the fuel pressure reg. So I only have the fuel pressure reg, the boost gauge, the boost bypass. I have that purge valve for the emissions up here, and then I have this guy feeding whatever all this is here. Which again, he said I could delete that too, so I might look into that later, but I just want everything to go on. I'm now going to start building this thing and plugging everything in because the only thing literally that was hanging me up was that coolant flow restrictor. And the reason why I didn't want to build everything on it is because I might not have been able to get in there nice with the supercharger on. I think I could have, but I just didn't want to chance it. So also, New radiator for the truck sitting right here. This is exactly how it came to my house, just like this. So I'm a little weary. This is from LMR. I did peek at it quickly and it looks okay, but I sent them a message saying, hey guys, you delivered this and it's all ratty. And they said, yeah, check it out and send us a message. So I'm trying to, it's another reason why I'm trying to hurry things up here. I got to get the radiator out so I can get that bolt off the front pulley, the front crank pulley down there. But everything's pretty much ready to go and I'm quite excited about it. It's been a long time coming. So again, this is raw, unedited. Wanted to give you guys the lowdown. I know there are certain people who are waiting for updates on this thing, and there's my update. So we are almost there. Radiator will come out any second. I will try to get that on video for you guys. And then obviously we have to disconnect the transmission cooler too and all that jazz. I got new hoses down there because they're just ugly. They seem to be ugly on all trucks. I also got a fuel filter that I want to put on the truck. Obviously brand new injectors, you want to do that stuff. I just don't know how I'm going to get the truck in the air to do that, but I'm going to try my best. ISF is here. Finally, make sure you guys watch the video on the delivery of that thing. It was just a complete mess, bonkers. I have a friend coming over tomorrow to help me flush the coolant in this thing, do the oil, just the maintenance. This is going to be an awesome summer cruiser with the family. I think it has more power than this thing as of right now. Maybe not when it leaves the garage, but as of right now, I think, yeah, this definitely has more power. 425, I think, horsepower. I can't remember the torque figure, around 430, if I remember correctly. But anyway, raw and unedited, so I will not be correcting myself if I'm incorrect. But that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you all have an awesome weekend, and this thing should be turning over soon. So that's awesome. Everything's all cleaned up, and we fixed a lot of the inherent issues like the coolant hoses, all of the gaskets, you know, all the leaks, and the turkey pan mod, etc. So anyway, you guys have a great weekend. All right, everybody, peace.